Dear students, standard 3, my dear teeny tots, again I greet you for attending the online class of English Reader. Please open your English Reader book page number 33. So this is the chapter 4, plants that eat insects. So today we will practice the reading, and tomorrow we will write its difficult words and we will understood tomorrow. So today I will read it as reading and you will practice it at your home. Listen me mindfully and recite with me, or listen and you will read it again and again after this reading. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. Plants that eat insects. Plants that eat insects. Some green plants also eat insects. Some green plants also eat insects. The most interesting of these are the pitcher plants, the sundew and the Venus flytrap. The sundew and the Venus flytrap. These plants are found in marshy areas where there are too many insects. The leaves of the pitcher plant are in the form of a pitcher. Water collects in these leaves when it rains. The leaves also have downward pointing hair. When insects fall into these pitchers, they cannot come out because of the hair. They drown in the water. Then they are digested and are used as food by the plant. The sundew plant has small round leaves. The leaves are covered with sticky hair. When an insect touches one of its hair, all the other hair near it fold over so that the insect cannot escape. When the insect is digested, the hair stands up and becomes ready to catch another insect. So here is the parts of the plant. This is the pitcher plant. Look at me. This is the pitcher plant. So this is the pitcher plant. It is the lamina blade. The immature pitcher. This is the immature pitcher. So lead rim of pitcher. This is the pitcher. Where the water is collected by the plant from the rain. This is the pitcher. This is the tendril. That means these are the tendril. Which is rim of the connected with the pitcher. Tendril. Then mouth of pitcher. This is the mouth of pitcher. These rounds are the rim of the pitcher. So it is the mouth. It is the rim of the pitcher. The rounding is the rim of the pitcher. So that mouth of the pitcher, the rim of the pitcher, lid of the pitcher means this is the cover of the pitcher. Lid of the pitcher means it is the cover, it is the lid means cover. When an insect fall into it, and it automatically closed. Understood? Because in picture there are waters, so when insect drop into it, it will die, and the plant will take it as food with water and with that insect. Understood, my students? So it is a pitcher plant. Then you open your book, page number 34. So we will read the reading. The leaves of Venus fly trap are divided into two parts. This is the Venus. This is the Venus plant. So the leaves, these are the leaves of the Venus plant. Leaves of the Venus fly trap are divided into two parts. This is divided into two parts. Leaves is divided into two parts. Around every leaf, there is a row of steep hair. This is the row of the steep hair. This is the steep hair of that Venus plant. Understood, my students? When an insect touches the center of the leaf, the two halves fold together. Suppose a insect reached here or touches here, automatically this half and this half will be closed. Understood my words? These are understood my point? This is the middle portion of the center of the leaf, and when a insect drop here or touches here, automatically the both side of the leaf will be closed. Understood, my students? So that two halves fold together and catch the insect. When the insect is digested, the leaf opens again. That means when the insect is digested, the leaf opens again automatically, but naturally it opens. So we read it, my dear students. So we will read it on tomorrow, and we will do the write the difficult words and meanings, and we will also practice it. On tomorrow we will do all these things. Have a nice day. Thank you.